Hello everybody, today we're making chicken soup and these are the ingredients. We start off by boiling some water with 1 clove of garlic and 1 tablespoon of salt. We add the chicken, in this case I'm using breast chicken, but you can use whatever you have on hand. I cut it in half or fourths, that way it will cook faster. We boil it on medium-low for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we add our potatoes, carrots, and celery and rice. We cover it and we let it boil for about 15 more minutes on medium-high. You can add whatever veggies you have. After the 15 minutes, we add the zucchinis, salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon. In this case, I used 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Again, this is to your taste. We give it a good stir. We cover it and let it boil on medium-low for 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes, I like to take the chicken out, shred it, and add it back. Give it a stir, and it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy!